Okay, today I'm going to be replacing an oil cooler O-ring on a 2006 Nissan Maxima 3.5 liter engine. I'll show you what I'm doing over here. Go to the car. I mean, you can jack the car up, you don't need a lift. If you want to take off the wheel, it's easier. Well, what you're going to do, let me get up there. I already took the filter off, and you see that big nut in the middle? You take that big nut out, and behind there is going to be a seal. Let me show you if you can see on this side. You see in back of the hose, right over there. You see, oh, not in the front, on the back. It's leaking. So if that's leaking, it's very common on these cars, Nissan's Pathfinders, Armadas, 300Zs. It's very popular. If it's not the oil filter, then it's going to be the seal behind that. And what you do, like I just said, you just take the filter off. You take that big nut off. I think it's 1.25 inches. You pull that off, and the seal's right behind that. I'll show you. Okay, it's actually a 22 millimeter for the big bolt, and then it comes off. You see that? Oh. And that's the old one. You just match it up. If you get that part number that I just said, the Dorman, it has 3 of them. You match it up to the one that's for you. Clean the surface. Where is it? Yeah. Clean the surface. Let me get back away. In back of that, I'm sorry. In back of this thing, clean the surface, the mating surface to the front of the engine cover and the back of the oil cooler, and just reinstall that seal and tighten that bolt again, and you're done. It's not that hard to do. You don't have to disconnect any hoses either. All right? Okay, guys, Motorcarnut 2020. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like the video. Any questions, leave them on the bottom. I'll get to you when I can. Thanks, guys.